Hello students, in today's lecture of the moment statistics, we are doing the illustration 4 in which we have to find out the row moments, and out of the row moments we find the central moments. The formula of the row moments and central moments we have covered in earlier lecture. So now we are applying those formula in this illustration. That is illustration number 4. The first 4 row moments about 15. About 15, that means if we have assumed A as a 15, in this row moments we have to assume some numbers, right? That is A. Here it is given A is equals to 15. From them obtain a first 4 central moments from the following observation: 11, 12, 14, 16 and 20. So we have to find out the row moments as well as central moments. So let's find out the illustration number 4. Xi is given 11, 12, 14, 16 and 20. Frequency is not given, so directly we will apply the first row moment calculation, that is xi minus 15. Here A is equals to 15 is given. Then xi minus 15 square, xi minus 15 cube and xi minus 15 power of 4. So let's calculate. 11 minus 15 minus 4, 12 minus 15 minus 3, 14 minus 15 minus 1, 16 minus 15 that is 1 and 20 minus 15 that is 5. Square of it: 16, 9, 1, 1, 25. Then cube: minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, that is 64 minus. Then minus 27 minus 1 plus 1, 125. Then power of 4, that is 64 into 4, 256, 27 into 3, 81, 1, 165. Let's calculate total of the each column. Here it will come 73 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1, that is 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 6, it will come minus 2. Here total is 52. Here the total is 34. Then 964. Now let's calculate the row moments. Mu1 dash is equals to sigma xi minus 15 upon n, that is minus 2 upon 5. Minus 2 upon 5. Answer is 0.4. But minus. Then mu2 dash is equals to sigma xi minus 15 square upon n. Answer is 52. So 52 by 5. 52 by 5. 10.4. Then mu3 dash is equals to sigma xi minus 15 cube upon n, that is 34 by 5. 34 by 5. Answer is 6.8. Then mu dash 4 is equals to sigma xi minus 15 4 upon n, that is 964 upon 5, that is 192.8. So mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash, this is the 4 row moments. out of the row moments, we have to find out the first central moments. So mu1 always be a 0, then mu2 is equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. So इसका मतलब क्या है? Central moment, second central moment we have to find out from the second row moment minus first row moment whole square. So mu dash 1 2 की वैल्यू है 10.4. So 10.4 minus mu1 dash square. So mu1 dash की वैल्यू है -4 का स्क्वायर. -10.4 minus 0.4 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 0.16. आंसर आएगा 10.24. That is mu1 is equals to 0, mu2 is equals to 10.24. Then mu3. mu3 is equals to mu2 dash, mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash in a bracket mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. तो ये फॉर्मूला है. चलो इसमें वैल्यू पुट करते हैं. mu dash 3 की वैल्यू है 6.8 minus 3 मल्टीप्लाई विथ mu2 dash की वैल्यू है 10.4. देन mu1 dash की वैल्यू है -0.4 प्लस 2 इंटू -0.4 क्यूब. सो यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा 6.8 माइनस तीनों का मल्टीप्लाई 10.4 माइनस मल्टीप्लाई विथ 3 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 0.4 माइनस आंसर आएगा -12.48 प्लस देन 0.3 माइनस 0.4 का क्यूब that is 0.064 into 2 that is -0.128 so कैलकुलेशन क्या आएगी 6.8 माइनस माइनस प्लस 12.48 प्लस माइनस माइनस 0.128 कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 19.152 that is mu3. Now mu4 is equals to mu dash 4 minus 4 mu dash 3 multiply with mu dash 1 plus 6 mu 2 dash mu1 dash square minus 3 mu dash 1 power 4. वैल्यू पुट करते हैं. mu4 dash that is 192.8 minus 4 6.8 and minus 0.4 plus 6 10.4 and 0.4 minus square again minus 3 0.4 cube. कैलकुलेशन करते हैं 192.8 as it is then multiply of the three of them that is minus 10.88 plus 0.4 square into 10.4 into 6, that is 9.984, then minus 0.4 power of 4 multiply with 3, that is 0.0768. कैलकुलेशन करके यहाँ पे माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, बाकी का कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 213.5872, दैट इज म्यू 4, राइट। अब हम करेंगे इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 5। वहां पे फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दिया गया है और हमें रो मोमेंट्स फाइंड करने हैं। From the following distribution, few row moments about 5, that means A is equals to 5 from the obtained central moments. यहाँ पे A की वैल्यू है 5, so A is equals to 5, then xi minus A 5 वो फाइंड कर लेते हैं, बाद में फ्रीक्वेंसी से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे। सो x माइनस 5 दैट इज 2 माइनस 5 माइनस 3, 3 माइनस 5 माइनस 2, देन माइनस 1 0 1 2 3। फ्रीक्वेंसी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एफ आई एक्स आई माइनस 5, so 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10, 8 1s are 8, 0, 6, 8, 12. Then fi xi minus 5 square. So इसका स्क्वायर करके मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे fi से। So माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर 9, 9 3s are 27, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20। सिमिलरली सारी कॉलम मिल जाएगी हमें। देन एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई माइनस 5 क्यूब, एक्स आई माइनस 5 यहाँ इसका क्यूब करेंगे और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एफ आई से। सो माइनस 9 इंटू 3 दैट इज sorry minus 27 into 3 that is minus 81, then minus 40 minus 8 0 6 32 10। अब कैलकुलेट करेंगे एफ आई एक्स आई माइनस 5 पावर ऑफ 4। सो कैलकुलेट करके आंसर आएगा 243 80 8 0 6 64 and 324. Let's make all the totals. Start with here. Minus 1, 113, 17 and 725. Let's calculate the row moments. Mu 1 dash is equals to sigma sigma fi xi minus 5 upon n, that is minus 1 upon n. N means total of the frequency. Total of the frequency is 40. So minus 1 by 40, that is minus 0.025. Mu 2 dash is equals to sigma fi into xi minus 5 square upon n, that is 113 upon 40, 2.825. Mu dash 3 is equals to sigma fi xi minus 5 cube upon n, that is 17 by 40, 0.425. Mu dash 4 is equals to sigma fi xi minus 5 power of 4 upon n, 725 upon 40, 18.125. So out of the row moments, using the same formula that we have discussed in earlier illustration, the same way we can find the central moments also. So can you do it by your own?